Have many updates to go and talk about 8 airdrop checkers for all of you to go and also claim. So with that said, we jump straight on out. First thing first, we start with the first one, Caldera. The link will be down below. Pre-claims open for 1 days and 12 hours. So make sure to check your eligibility token. Simply connect your wallet, click on MetaMask, connect MetaMask wallet. Once you have connected, you will be redirected to their page here. And as you see, I am eligible for it. So click on continue. Also check your activity, both of GitHub and Twitter. Click on continue and then verify with Authena. So you need to verify, check the status, and once you verify, you will be good to go. Talking about verification and not over here on ZoomX, just a reality for you. I am down, as we see here. I am not the best trader. I don't get 100% right. So what I will do, I will close this. By the way, there is a $30 bonus for your first sign up on ZoomX. So make sure to go and deposit 10, 100, $1,000 with my link over to ZoomX. The link will be down below. No KYC exchange. You will get yourself $30 bonus and you can go and open a trade now, which I do think is actually a good time to go and open it both on Bitcoin and also on Ethereum, as they are going down. As we see here, the market is a little bit down. So now I think is a great time to go and open a trade. So here you get $30 bonus. Link will be down below, as well as you get $50 bonus, as we see over here on BingX. So BingX has KYC required, so just for you to know, but you do get $50 bonus, which as you see, once you sign up with my code down below, click on confirm, simply go and deposit again, $10, $20, whatever it is. And as we see here, you can click over to this one. You will get the $50 USDT bonus. Click on confirm. It's a 5x position. I will open a long now, as we see here on Ethereum. And also I will open a long on Bitcoin. Both longs, I got 2 bonuses. I will get it. And all of the profit that you do from this opening, so from this bonus token that you will get, as you see here, you're able to do 1 per time, you will keep all the profit. So $50 for you on BingX, $30 for you on ZoomX, 2 exchanges. I tried to get the best deal for you, so you get $80 for free today. So make sure to go and sign up and start trading. Both on BingX, they have KYC. They do have more pairs though. And then on ZoomX has no KYC, a little bit less pairs. So make sure to get started trading right now. Next up, we have the chain-based airdrop. As we see over here, simply connect your wallet. If it only shows the OKX wallet for the next 48 hours or so, click on the question bottom right here, get a wallet, go to MetaMask, and then you will be able to go and connect your MetaMask. In about 48 hours, we're able to go and claim this airdrop. So make sure to be tuned, but you can go and check your allocation if you do have your OKX wallet. Next up, we have the Eclipse ecosystem, which is on Backpack. As we see over here, we can go and sign up to their page, and I do have the airdrop allocation. I got 2,500 ES token, and make sure to go and participate. I am already in for it in a way that you can also, by the way, mint for free the Turbo Skull Open Edition. And Turbo Skull refers to those split-second decision, so you can simply mint it as well for free, as we see right here, which it is absolutely nice. And I still participate on Eclipse in terms of Invariant and Astral. There are 2 protocols which I do like. I will leave the link down below. Invariant is a very nice liquidity providing protocol, so if you do have tokens, if you do have some funds, you can provide liquidity. Astral, on the other side, is simply borrowing and lending USDC and borrowing Ethereum to it before they hit the liquidation price. Super simple. I will leave the link down below to you to go and participate. And both Invariant and Astral, which it is this one right here, they still need to go and get themselves an airdrop, and they both have a point system. So make sure to go and participate. Next up, we have the Sunrise airdrop. You can click over to enter, connect your Kepler wallet or any other wallet. Go and check it for yourself if you are eligible for it or not. For this one, I know I was eligible for it, so we are still waiting for the airdrop allocation, not the allocation, sorry, the airdrop possibility. As we see here, we connect Kepler wallet, we connect the Kepler wallet once again, click on to next, and as you see here, I am eligible. So the register is done. You cannot claim this one yet, but you can go and check it, and you can go and check your allocation as well as register for it. Next up, we have the Velvet airdrop right here. Connect your wallet. And I never participate on this one. Is the main token of the Velvet ecosystem, which unlocks utility once staked, as the V Velvet stakers enjoy real yield and addition. So similar to many other airdrop. But if you have the possibility, make sure to go and check it. I never participated in this one, never have I ever touched it, but if you did, or if you think you did, make sure to go and check it, because you could actually be eligible for airdrops that you don't know about. Next up, we have the ZFI airdrop, the Cyber airdrop right here. The chain is over on ZK Sync. All you gotta do, click over to accept all the claims and the distribution and all of that. And if you're eligible, come here, connect your wallet, which could also be the MetaMask wallet as we see over here. It is on the ZK ecosystem, so that interacts with your MetaMask wallet for sure. Over on here, you got the airdrop voice. There is, if you are claimable, you can check your eligibility as well, create, search, etc. You can do all of this. But if you are eligible, you can go and get yourself the airdrop from here. Next up, we have the Wallet Connect over on Solana Airdrop. You can check your eligibility. We've done this yesterday. You connect your Phantom wallet for your Solana ecosystem wallet. And if you are eligible for it, then you will get rewarded and you will have the token allocation for it. And let me know your total token down below. One airdrop that you can claim over on Solana is the Sol Layer airdrop 5th round. As we see over here, I have the possibility, I already claimed it. I'm eligible for 11. I claimed already 10.98. I've claimed this yesterday on the video that we posted, and I still have the possibility to go and claim 0.07 later on. Simply click over to claim layer and enter the password and go and claim it. And I do have it. I believe I received about $4 yesterday of the airdrop, which is not the best, but still better than zero. So make sure to go and collect all these airdrop, go and check them. Next up, we have a big update over on Invariant. As we see over here, everything is ready with the ES, the Eclipse token generation event dropping any moment this week. The two main pools are already live, so you can jump in now and get ahead of everyone else. ES token with USDC or ES Ethereum. Why is it worth it? Well, because by adding single-sided liquidity in a chosen price range, effectively acts like placing a buy order for the ES token or the Eclipse token that can be filled instantly at TG when the chosen price is reached. Earn tons of Invariant point because there is the last 14 or 15 days. There's 2 weeks only to earn the Invariant point, which is the last big chance. You can capture huge fees from day one volatility as one of the first liquidity provider. There is also these pools also have a 2x point boost that stays active after the ES, the Eclipse token generation events. It's your last chance to keep it up, so go over to Invariant. If you go to the liquidity tab right here, you will find them, ES and USDC. If you have tokens in terms of USDC or Ethereum, click on deposit, go over here, and as we see, you can do one-sided. You can click over to max and you can go and place the liquidity wherever you want, whether it's this one, whether it's that one. Make sure to go and check it. You can go 50%. You don't have to do everything in terms of what you gotta do, but you can go and participate if you do find the right match for you. So make sure to go and participate, and of course, take a look at what the price could be, how the volatility could be, the liquidity could be. Very, very nice. So definitely make sure to go and participate on that one. Time for you to go and take action on Owelto, which is very important. Why? Well, because Owelto is going to have an airdrop really, really soon. And I do believe before the end of summer, we're going to see an airdrop. They have a point system, they got base interaction. So one thing that we can do together in this video, I got some funds over on Arbitrum. We're gonna send them straight to base. There is a possibility of getting extra points allocation to bridge to base and from base. Now, why do I insist on this? And you might be like, no, you're delusional. Why do you insist? A lot of people stopped using Owelto, and I get that. People are a bit upset with the time of the farming, but they got a super, super low, as we see here, in terms of fees, 0.006. So it is about this. This is the amount of fees that they got going on for a bridge, about $2, which is not the cheapest out there, but it is a nice interaction because you got base in Java and airdrop. They have all the chains possible out there, and you are getting yourself into the airdrop. So we are going to go and do these, all of these together. So one, for example, from base to base. So we're gonna be doing this, and we get points for both. So first one, we're gonna be sending these transactions as we see over here with our Arbitrum balance. Click over to send, and you are able to go and send. Simply, if it doesn't work, simply reload the page as we do right here. We are connected with my MetaMask wallet right here, and we go and put the 0.005 token allocation and send them from Arbitrum to Base. So as we see here, again, we go and input it, but this is a reminder, go and do it based in to have an airdrop. A lot of this protocol in and on Owelto still need to have an airdrop, and as we see here, you go and get your points. And a lot of people also stopped utilizing it. You also have the possibility to deploy the contract. You can check your portfolio, you can go and check your swaps as well and swap the token directly over here on Owelto, which is super nice. But a lot of people stopped using Owelto, and now if they do, when they're gonna do an airdrop, I am sure that they're gonna eliminate everybody that doubted them, everybody that stopped making swaps and bridges with their platform. So to avoid that, go and utilize Owelto, because it is really important. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know which of the airdrops you're able to go and grab down below, and with that said, I will see you all in tomorrow's one. Ciao, guys.